All right, team, it's your Captain Terrain with All Terrain Cleaning Solutions, LLC. Today we're delivering Somerset, and we're doing a solar panel clean and a dryer vent clean. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 panels. So as I walk up, just to kind of get a visual inspection on the solar panel array. Spring is basically here, so you can kind of see. Take a look underneath there. Okay, I do have a lip right there where birds can kind of hide under it, but this is not all the way open. Just visually inspecting the panels here. You can see the light dust. This is where it really gets the dirtiest at right here. I want to feel it. Oh yeah. So we're here about 11. What is it? A little after 11. We're trying to come out early because this is south-facing, so it gets a lot of sun, generates lots of power. So I'm going to go ahead and bring up the hose and wet these down, and then we'll put a solution on it. And then we'll get the brushing and cleaning them all off and get them all shiny and spick and span, and then we'll go ahead and do the dryer vent clean. It's a clear clean with the slogan. Make the phone number right. Thank you. Okay, so this one right here is the dryer vent outlet. No obstructions blocking it. There's something underneath there, inside of there for sure. As they do to stop it from going up. Let's see what we get from under here. Initially, I can feel some different debris. Good airflow. I don't feel anything obstructing it. Though it has something inside of there to actually block critters and stuff from going in there. Alright, so we'll go from the down and clean up. I just wanted to make sure this is feeling good. And the pans are just checking out good airflow. Alright, so we're all wrapped up. I went in from the bottom about 18, I'd say about maybe 16, 17 feet up, all the way till it hit the top. And then not only stop, out of there, put this in there. See, everything's the airflow from everything here. This is after this. See how the solar panels are clean and all dry and everything nice like that. Look at that. Solar panel cleaning with TERRAINE.com. Thank you. For the Supreme Clean, you know our slogan. If you're in the Sacramento region, if you're looking for home cleaning exterior services, give TERRAINE.com a call. We'll love to come and assist you. Thank you.